Hey guys, this is Matt with Shop Ezgo, and today I'm going to show you how to install these rear fender flares on a TXT. First, we're going to take our fender flare and line it with the rear of the body and make sure that the cutout matches the correct side. Once we have our fender flare aligned with the vehicle properly, we're going to make a mark at each of the mounting hole locations. Now, using a 1/4 inch drill, we're going to drill a hole at all of our marks. Install the fender flare to the body of the vehicle using bolts and washers provided. Now we're going to install a washer and a nut on the back side of each of these mounting screws and tighten them all up. Now that we have the driver's side complete, we're going to repeat the same steps for the passenger side. Now that we have our fender flares installed, this will help keep the occupants of the vehicle clean and dry in various weather and terrain conditions.